All right, this is the Apple Magic Keyboard. This is the wireless Bluetooth version. Super sleek, super simple design. It's got a slight angle on it. As you can see, slightly up slanting. Really easy keys. I personally hated the key redesign on a lot of the Apple products that happened a couple of years ago. This does not have it. So these actually, the keys are pretty high up. They're not as small as the laptops are. It's rechargeable, so just using a regular like Apple USB-C or Lightning port right there. And then here's a little on-off button. Automatically connects to whatever device you've been pairing it with. Super easy to use, super light, easy to move around. I'm a huge fan of it. Would definitely recommend if you're looking for a good keyboard.